This video is for anyone who has pink stripes appear when they share their screen on Zoom after their latest Zoom update. I found something that worked for me and I thought I'd share it for you. It's actually not a Zoom setting that needs to change, but a graphic card setting. So I have the NVIDIA graphics card, so I open up the NVIDIA control panel, and then there's going to be a setting that I change there. So I'm going to go to Manage 3D Settings, click on that, and then below it says Preferred Graphics Processor. Before it said Auto Select. You don't want Auto Select. You want it to go to the NVIDIA processor. I also looked where it says Open GL Rendering GPU and made sure that the GPU, the graphics card, is the one selected and it doesn't say auto or auto select. Then I restarted my computer and the pink stripes disappeared. Hope this helps.